All right, guys, so this is room 5241, and we've already kind of moved into it a little bit. This was not our original room. We actually have been moved to this room, but we wanted to give you guys a just kind of standard room tour. You start off with two, as you can see, floor to ceiling closets. The doors are a little rough on this, but you do get, kind of full storage, as you can see here. It does have a full couch as well as the table. You have king size bed, of course, two twins, breaks down into that. You have the full kind of bar-ish looking area, TV, and then we have our bathroom here. As you can see, standard size bathroom. Does seem that we got some product as being a premium balcony here. So there's ocean line, I guess. I don't know. And then you can see, making it work. And then we do also have another set of closets here. So there's the door and there's these closets. These guys don't really open very well. It kind of looked okay there, but this other side is just like, it just gets stuck and it doesn't want to move. So along with that, you do have your standard storage down there with the bed. We have the extra, cabinets right there. And then these are just drawers, your hair dryer and accessories and things like that right there. And then we also have the safe, some more storage underneath, and then the fridge. Now, along with this is of course a balcony. View is not great, and this is again supposed to be an extended balcony, so it does have a little bit of extra length to it, but it is also, compared to where we came from, it is much shorter. And as you can see, lovely lifeboats. So just wanted to give you guys a room tour of this so you can see this is 5241. And like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. So we'll see you guys later.